Well, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with exercise 3.4 in which we will be dealing with the word problems. Before going to the questions, there is a suggestion, there is a request that try to go through the question as sincerely, as attentively as possible, because until and unless you know what is asked in the question, you won't be able to do the solution correctly. Therefore, it is very essential that you have grabbed the question exactly in the manner it is given. Question number 1, A part. In a train with 28 bogies means coaches, 2,740 people were traveling. Out of these, 1,560 were men. How many women were there in the train? Now see, the total number of people are 2,740, right? Out of 2,740, 1,560 are your men. Then how many women are there? It is asked. In all this, we didn't use this 28 bogies anywhere because we don't need this. So before doing the solution, you have to understand, you have to find out those data, those information which is useful for you, and ignore all those data which is given just to make you confused. Right? So there here 28 bogies or the number of coaches given to you is not making any sense to us. It is useless for us. Right? Now coming to the solution, total number of people 2740, number of men 1560, therefore number of women, total number of people minus number of men, that is your 2740 minus 1560, and that will give you 1180. Moving to the next question. Now, the D question is, at a school library, there are 3,650 books in maths. Means there are 3,650 books of maths and 1,110 books in Hindi. So these many books are of your Hindi. How many books are there in Hindi less than in maths at the library? Means कितनी हिंदी की books कम है maths से. So suppose you are having two pen, the two types of pen, red pen and green pen. The number of red pen is 10 and the number of green pen is 7. Here red pen is your 10 and green pen is your 7. Now, how many pens are there in green ink less than the pens in red ink? Means green pen red pen से कितने कम है? So what you will do? Definitely you will do the subtraction, that is 10 minus 7 is your 3. Same thing you have to do here. So number of books in maths, this sign means whatever the data or information given to you above this is the same here. Means number of books in Hindi is 1110. Therefore number of books in Hindi less than in maths, means Hindi की books maths से जितने कम हैं वो हैं number of books in maths minus number of books in Hindi, that is 3650 minus 1110, and that will give you 2540. Means these many books are less than maths. Moving ahead, we have question number 1, E part. In a barrel is a kind of container which is used for holding or keeping the bottles, sometimes for the liquids as well. So in a barrel with capacity of 4,500 bottles of oil, means इस कंटेनर में आप मैक्स टू मैक्स 4,500 bottles of oil रख सकते हो. 2,860 bottles are kept. This is the maximum capacity that you can keep, but right now you have kept how many bottles? 2,860. Out of these, means अब इन बोतलों में से 1,925 bottles of oil are removed. How many bottles of oil are left in the barrel now? From these many bottles, you have taken these many bottles, and now they are asking how many bottles are still in the barrel. For example, your father can give you 100 rupees, right? But he gave you only 50 rupees. आपके फादर आपको 100 रुपीज़ दे सकते हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने आपको सिर्फ अभी 50 रुपीज़ दिए हैं. And out of 50 you gave 10 rupees to your sibling. आपने अपने भाई बहन जो भी हैं उनको आपने 10 रुपीज़ दे दिए. Now how many rupee is left with you? Definitely 50 minus 10 is your 40. Here we didn't use the 100 because that is useless for us. In the same way, here 4500 is useless for us. We don't have to do anything with this numeric value given to us. Therefore, starting with the solution, number of bottles kept in barrel is 2860. Number of bottles removed means number of bottles that you have taken out is 1925. Therefore, number of bottles left in the barrel is equals to number of bottles kept, जितनी बोतल आपने रखी थी माइनस नंबर ऑफ बोटल्स रिमूव्ड, उसमें से जितनी बोतल आपने निकाल ली है उनको माइनस कर दो एंड यू विल गेट योर आंसर. सो 2860 इज द बोतल दैट यू कैप्ट, 1925 is the bottle that you have taken out. Therefore the remaining bottles are 935. In this way you have to do the remaining part of question number 1. That's all for today. Have a good day.